That rotation now. That's the same warning I just showed you.
A thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Amber, moving northeast at 10 miles an hour. Expected
South threat.
tornado and golf ball size.
Oh, thank God, that's South threat to Greensboro.
The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
Alright, it has produced a tornado. Here's what got my attention. The delta on this thing was over 120 knots. So more than likely this is a strong tornado. And look at the hook on this thing. This is classic. This is classic. Look at that, still tightening up. Look at this. It's very broad circulation. This could be a large tornado when it comes in a Bridge Creek. Alright, there's your update. It has produced a tornado, and it could be a large tornado. Is that velocity falling? I'm keeping my fingers crossed. It's not what I'm seeing right here. And we may have another tornado up there in Major County, Oklahoma. It's strong shear. I just installed Storm Analyzer on here so I could track this. And it's just southwest of Bridge Creek. I mean, it's approaching the south side of town, southwest side of town as we speak right now. And it's a large tornado wrapped in rain. One of the scariest times you can ever have in the Midwest. And look for the storm analyst. They gotta put a PDS on this one. I guarantee you in the next game they're gonna say a confirmed large and
Let us turn the camera here. The inflow here on the southwestern edge of the storm. Yeah, we have it.
He's in the process of being issued for that Newcastle storm. Alright, let's see how Norman words this. This is a violent storm. Waiting on that tornado emergency.